The Central Statistical Office CSO is undertaking one of the most significant modernization initiatives to date, as it works towards transforming itself into a National Statistical Institute capable of leading a stronger, more coordinated national statistical system. The Organizational Development Initiative is being implemented under the World Bank's Data for Decision-Making project and represents one of the three main reforms currently underway to strengthen Saint Lucia's statistical capacity. Director of the CSO, Sean Mathrin, said the consultancy will assess the institution's current operations while laying the groundwork for long-term transformation.
This is one of three strategic initiatives that are ongoing. It relates to modernizing and positioning the Central Statistical Office to better manage its mandate of compiling, producing, and disseminating official statistics. In the short to medium term, the focus will be on addressing existing challenges and deficiencies, but also laying a foundation for achieving the National Statistical Institute status.
The consultancy will examine the CSO's organizational structure, staffing requirements, succession planning, training needs, and legislative framework needed to support a modern statistical system. Mathrin says the exercise complements two other major reforms already in progress: the revision of the Statistics Act and the implementation of the National Strategy for the Development of Statistics launched in 2025. He added that strengthening the statistical system will benefit not only the Central Statistical Office, but every agency that produces and relies on official data. Leading the technical assessment is international statistician Romesh Paul, who brings decades of experience from the United Kingdom Government Statistical Office, Eurostat, and statistical capacity building projects across Africa, Asia, and the Caribbean. Paul says the team will benchmark Saint Lucia's statistical system against internationally recognized standards.
We are applying three international frameworks, one from the European Union called the snapshot tool to make an assessment of the whole statistical system's relationship with the CSO, the legal framework, how it is organized, what is the relationship between the CSO and the various line ministries. The second tool that we are using is a UN tool, which is called the GSBPM. So this mainly looks at the processes that are used to produce the various statistics at the CSO, from the design phase all the way to the dissemination phase. Third framework that we are considering or looking to implement in St. Lucia is the GAMSO. This is how a statistical office should be organized.
The assessment will also examine how the Central Statistical Office collaborates with ministries and other agencies responsible for producing official statistics, ensuring a more integrated national statistical system. According to the World Bank, reliable national statistics are a global public good, providing governments, investors, development partners, and citizens with trusted evidence needed to design effective policies, monitor development progress, and make informed investment decisions. High-quality official statistics also strengthen transparency, accountability, and international confidence in the country's development performance. Mathrin stated that a second mission will engage stakeholders across a wider national statistical system before final recommendations are presented. For the National Competitiveness and Productivity Council, Glenn Simon reporting.